You're on my stool.
I didn't realize there was a sign seating.
And besides, you're not even sitting here. You're playing pool.
You don't know what bar you're in, do you?
I'm so sorry, man. I didn't realize. We just stopped by.
That's okay, brother. Everyone makes mistakes, I tell you what. Assigned seating.
A pack of jackals, all you are. How much blood to know?
Maybe you should call it a night, Clancy.
I got a right to be here. I got a right to drink.
Sure thing, bud.
Drink up.
Do it. Come on, boys. New Year's Eve. We don't need to kick things off by lighting some drunk's head on fire. Let's wait for midnight.
Congrats, bro. I heard they gave you the nut.
Right here, I'm finally inked and primed a true road dog. Blood in, blood out.
Yeah, know someone to join?
Bet your pants. There's no leaving the gang alive. Believe me, it's fun. The getting in part, I mean. I'm ready to roll some more skulls. But first, I gotta drain Lil Wayne. Yo, move your pants so I can take the shot. I said, out of my way.
You are